Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to unbox the new Infinix Note 12. It comes with AMOLED display and I bought it in 6GB variant. Let's open the box to see what package contains. Box is quite thick and it seems Infinix didn't ditch the power brick. And on top as usual there is device itself on which few key features printed like AMOLED display and the Helio G88 chipset. Let's take it out and let me remove it from the wrapper, and boom, here is the Infinix Note 12. I bought it in black color and it's looking seriously nice. On back there are lines pattern and little bit shade of dark blue on rotating the phone under the light. There is kind of two camera bumps on back. What are your thoughts on back design? Please let me know in the comments below. Now let's see what's more in the box. First we have protection cover, and what's this? Is this a $1 bill? No, it's some kind of invitation card to join the X Club. Pretty cool. Next here is the warranty card and the silicone cover. I think it is in the black color matching with the phone color, and it's not transparent, which is good. It will not become yellow at least. Next there is some X-Spark card to win free phones, and here is the healthy and the beefy power brick, which is providing us 33-watt fast charging. Really good. And after that we have USB Type-C cable for the power adapter, and last we have SIM tool. Sadly hand-free is not available with this phone. Let's see how many SIM cards Infinix Note 12 support. There is dual SIM functionality along with external storage at same time, and it's really good in this budget. Now let's turn this phone on and see few specifications. This is the package content, device, silicone cover and the power brick. The back of the Infinix Note 12 is plastic, which easily catches fingerprint smudges. On back there is branding of Infinix and the triple camera with LED flash. And the frame is also plastic. On bottom we have headphone jack, mic, USB Type-C port and the speaker. Top is totally clean, and the right side has volume rockers and the power key, and this power key also supports fingerprint sensor, and here you can check its speed. Fingerprint sensor is working at good speed and accurately at first attempt. And the left side has SIM tray. And on front we have 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 1080p resolution and 393 pixel per density. Infinix cutted the corners here by providing the Infinity U display in 2022, and there is no Gorilla Glass protection. Other than that, display is good and bezels are fine. And the guru inside the Infinix Note 12 is Helio G88, and I have 6GB RAM variant. But in 8GB variant you can also get Helio G96, which is not bad upgrade. And in 6GB variant, the GPU is Mali G52 MC2 and the Android is 11 with XOS 10.6. And I saw Infinix Note 12 is loaded with many Infinix applications, I mean bloatware. And there is triple camera on back with 50 megapixel wide, which is main camera, 2 megapixel depth and the QVGA. And the selfie camera is 16 megapixel. And if we talk about battery, the Infinix Note 12 has huge 5000 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging, and 5000 mAh battery is enough for 1 to 2 days casual use. So this was the unboxing of the Infinix Note 12. If you found this video helpful, then please like it and subscribe to our channel. See you in the full review of the Infinix Note 12. Take care. Peace for all.